Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Physical changes are tricky, but we can master this concept. Let's find which observation shows a physical change rather than a chemical reaction. Look closely at option D, where heating a green solid creates a green vapor. This process is called sublimation, which is just a phase change from a solid directly to gas. Since the substance maintains its green color in both states, no new chemical identity was formed. Phase changes like boiling or melting are always physical because the molecules stay the same. In contrast, options A, B, and C show color changes or bubbling, signs of a chemical reaction. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs of reactions and trust given data to avoid a rush. Great job!